we have somebody very special with us. We have a dermatologist, Dr. Neha Yadav. Well, very well. I'm actually very excited. We're going to treat this like a half an hour consultation with a doctor. I'm going to ask you all my questions. And the very first thing actually जब बच्चा होता है massage, right? Is mustard oil actually good for the baby's skin? Is there actually some science behind it?
Okay, so as far as massage, as you said, yeah, traditionally generation wise वो चलती आई हैं चीज़ें, and बहुत सारे बच्चों को वो सारी चीज़ें सूट भी की हैं. So it's not about that particularly कि क्या mustard oil ठीक है या नहीं है, पर क्या ये सभी के लिए ठीक है is the question. Okay, so there can be babies जिनकी already family line में genetic predisposition रहा है to certain skin related conditions या diseases. ऐसे particular बच्चे उनकी skin sensitive है. Okay, as it is newborn baby की skin अभी भी maturization हो रही होती है, right? And that is the time if you put a lot of oil which is much more heavier, एक ऐसा oil जहाँ पे आपकी body का moisturizing factor तो of course अच्छा हो रहा है, but at the same time वो आपके pores को भी बहुत ज़्यादा clog करने की क्षमता रखता है. So ऐसे cases में you have to be very very careful. I totally do understand new mother, एक नया एहसास, एक नया फीलिंग, समथिंग दैट नोबडी कैन टीच यू टू बी अ मदर, राइट? एंड एट द सेम टाइम इतने सारे लोग फैमिली में आपको बोल रहे हैं योर मदर, योर मदर इन लॉ एंड ग्रैनी एंड सो मैनी अदर पीपल, एंड वी आर इन द एरा जहाँ पे सोशल मीडिया की वजह से हमारे पास बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन है. अब इंफॉर्मेशन फैक्ट है, फिक्शन है, कैसा है, देन अगेन इट एंटायरली डिपेंड्स. But I would suggest that I have seen so many babies with getting irritant contact dermatitis because of these oils and other things, because they are much more heavier. They have potential to block the pores, and at the same time ऐसे बच्चे जिनमें already yeast का डेवलपमेंट ज़्यादा हो रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में वो यीस्ट बन रहा है, या सेबेशियस ग्लैंड से ऑयल बहुत ज़्यादा सिक्रीट हो रहा है, इन सच केसेस मस्टर्ड ऑयल विल बी अ बिग नो.
वो कहते हैं कि जैसे बच्चा घर आता है आप मसाज चालू करते हो, they say that it's also like a bonding time for like the parents and the kid, or so is it just bonding, या actually there is some sort of a skincare benefit that you see in the baby or in the long run because आपने पहले 3-4 महीने इतनी मसाज की होती है, like what is it?
That is why these days to new mommies I always say, okay, you have a help, that's fine, but also try to do a very gentle touching and massaging of your baby for 5 to 10 minutes, maybe once or twice in a day yourself. Not asking the nanny or somebody else to do that, is because of course there is an emotional side to it. There is something where you're bonding with your baby, but there is also physiological side to it. Okay, this is something which is going to help your baby with the neural development, with the muscular development. The more there is a touch of a mother, of course there is a happy hormone which secretes in mother and the baby, which is very required for both of them. It's a very stressful time for mother and equally for the baby as well. A newly born baby in this world, air, water, people, so many faces and everything, so it's very stressful for the baby, but at the same time for mother too. That sort of bonding helps with happy hormone, with love hormone like oxytocin. It helps in reduction of stress hormone, which is cortisol. So of course the baby sleeps very very well. The more you massage in the areas where you stimulate the vagus nerve, again helps with the heart rate, it helps with the digestion. It again helps with a lot of muscular development in the baby too. So all in all, it's a wonderful thing. Emotionally you are connecting with your baby. Eye to eye contact is there, and at the same time you're also providing that sort of de-stressing yourself and your baby too. So emotional and biological side of it.
Right. So while it's a must to do the massage for these long-term benefits, if the parents are doing it, it's even
it's
more
even better. So I always tell new mothers you know,
Yeah.
that don't just give this work to nanny. आप खुद भी अपने बच्चे को टच करो. वो टच में बहुत पावर है.
Yeah.
यू नो तो एक छोटे छोटे से कॉलिक हो जाना बच्चे को, एंड जब आप बच्चे को टच करते हो आप खुद भी फील करते हो कहाँ पे रेडनेस आ रही है, कहाँ ड्राइनेस आ रही है. समटाइम्स नानी हो सकता है इन चीज़ों को इग्नोर कर दे, बट यू वोंट, because you are the mother. You will be much more careful with all these things.